Hey everyone, I hope that you are all doing so well. My name is Cheryl and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this thing that's on my head. I can't even fit it in. But this celestial halo crown thing. I think it would be really cute for Halloween if you want to do like some sort of celestial look. I also think it would kind of be cute for New Year's Eve because, I don't know, sparkly and stars and stuff. So I whipped this up in just this afternoon, so it really doesn't take much time. It's good for last minute things if you need to come up with something last minute. It doesn't take too long. I mean, the longest part is probably just dry time, and you don't even really have to worry about that if you get silver wire and use just hot glue on everything, then super quick and easy. So if you want to know how to make this, then just keep watching. So for this project, you're going to need a headband, wire cutters, some craft glue, sparkly paper, hot glue, scissors, and a pencil. And I'm also using paint because my wire is black and I want it silver, but if you have silver wire, don't worry about this part. Alright, so taking the headband, I'm measuring out 2 pieces of wire that are larger than the headband. One of them is medium sized and one of them is the longest. And I'm going to glue the ends to either end of the headband. And this is where the hot glue comes in because I don't want to have to wait for the craft glue to dry, so the hot glue just holds it in place quicker. So there's one layer and the other. And now you can kind of shape your wire a little bit more to make it a little more rounded. And I'm going to glue some felt on the bottom just in case the wire decides to poke me. This will protect my head. Alright, now I'm just going to paint the wires and the headband all silver, but again, you can skip this if your wire is the color that you want. I had to do a couple coats. Once that is dry, you can take your sparkly paper or whatever paper you're using. And I'm just drawing different shapes and sizes of stars and circles and cut those all out. And I kind of put them in the arrangement that I wanted. And then I just glue them to the wire. I'm using craft glue for this. You can use hot glue. I just didn't really have enough to work with. And on some of the bigger stars, since they kind of wanted to turn, I put a small strip of paper on the back as well to keep them in place. And I just continue placing the paper pieces where I think they look good. And once this is dry, you're all finished. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. I would appreciate that. And if you want to see more from me, then hit that subscribe button. It really does mean a lot to me. I am pretty happy with how this turned out. I think if I were to do it again, I would maybe make these a little smaller, the outer rings, because it's a little big. But, you know, who cares? I think it's still cute. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video.